Good morning, students. Welcome to math class. Dear students, today we are discussing some of n terms of an arithmetic progression. So, dear students, we have the two formula. First one is Sn equals to 1 by 2 into n into the bracket 2a plus into the bracket n minus 1 into d bracket close. Dear students, we can say and also write it as Sn is equals to n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And the second one is Sn is equals to 1 by 2 into n into the bracket a plus an. Dear students, here when the first term and the last term is given, then the equation is Sn is equals to 1 by 2 into n a plus an. Let us see some examples. First one, find the sum of 30 terms of given AP. AP is 12 plus 20 plus 28 plus 36 up to so on. Dear students, it is in the series. So the given AP is 12, 20, 28, 36. Here it's a first term is A, that is 12, and it's a common difference is a D, that is a 8. How it is? A2 minus A1, 20 minus 12 equals to 8. So now, dear students, here the 30 terms n is also given, that n is 30. Now we write down the formula Sn equals to half into n into the bracket 2a plus into the bracket n minus 1 into d. Okay, dear students, half into n is 30 into the bracket 2 into a is 12 plus into the bracket 30 minus 1 into d is 8. Now we simplify that. Half into 30, it become a 15, and in the square bracket 12 into 2 is a 24 plus 30 minus 1 is 29 into 8. Dear students, in the next step, 15 into the bracket 24 as it is we write down, plus we multiply the 29 into 8, then we get 232. In the next step, dear students, 15 we write down as it is, we adding 24 and 232, we get 246. Now we multiply the 246 into 15, we get 3690. This is the sum of 30 terms. So we see the next example. Find the sum given AP 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus up to so on plus 200. Dear students, here we can get first term is 2 and the common difference is 2. So common difference is D, that is 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. So the last term is 200. An is 200. Students, here we don't know the n. That's why first we should be find out the n. N means number of terms. So we use the nth term. Nth term is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, students, you know the an last term, that is 200, equals to a is 2 plus n minus 1 into d is 2. We substitute as it is. Then we take this plus 2 on the left into the left side. Then we write it 200 minus 2 is equals to 2 into the bracket n minus 1. Okay, dear students, now we can write it 2 into bracket n minus 1 is equals to 198. So we take this 2 to the right side, then it divides the 198. Then 2 1s are 2, 99s are, we divide that, we get 99. So dear students, we take this LHS side minus 1 to the right side, it become a 1, that is plus 1. Now n is equals to 99 plus 1 is equals to 100. So we find out the n is 100. So dear students, next we should be find out the sum of that terms. So we use the formula Sn equals to half into n square bracket 2a plus under small bracket n minus 1 into d square bracket complete. In the next step, dear students, s 100, n is 100, that is equals to half into n means 100 into the bracket 2 into 2 plus common bracket 100 minus 1 into d is 2 square bracket complete. Dear students, we know that in the next step, half into 100 it become a 50 square bracket 2 into 2 it become a 4 plus 100 minus 1 is 99 into 2 it become a 198. So now dear students, we add 198 plus 4, it is equals to 202. So now dear students, we multiply 202 into 50, then the answer is 10,100. It is the sum of the given arithmetic progression. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you understand the concept. So you solve these following examples in your home.
Thank you.
And
Thank you very
send
much,
the
dear
answer
students.